कृष्णा जी हमारे साथ जुड़े हैं। कृष्णा जी, बहुत बहुत वेलकम करता हूँ सर आपका। सर, आपकी यूनिवर्सिटी के बारे में सुना है, रैंक काफी अच्छा कर रही है। पहले तो बताएं कौन सा रैंक है और क्यों बेहतर समझे आपकी यूनिवर्सिटी।
Right. So, firstly, thank you so much for having me here. My name is Krishna. I do represent University of Gloucestershire, which is a public university in the United Kingdom. Ranking-wise, if you talk about, then it's ranked number second in terms of employability,
Okay.
which is, I think, one of the most commonly asked question by all the prospective candidates, that what are the opportunities they can get after completion of their bachelor's program or master's program in the employability term. So on that term, the university rank as number second in terms of employability. Most of our students within the period of 6 months are able to secure themselves a white collar job after even they're studying a bachelor program with us or a master's program with us. So it's a great opportunity for all the international students. We have some great range of scholarships also available for all the Indian students, and quite great range of programs which starts with business management, engineering, artificial intelligence, or creative arts. So all these kind of great programs that we have available in the university, where students can look forward to pursue their career into.
प्लेसमेंट को लेकर भी आप हेल्प करते हैं बच्चों की।
Right. Very good question. And this is the best highlight about the university. That is, we are offering a sandwich here. Either it is for a bachelor's program or either it is for a master's program. So, most of the universities that you will see, maybe in India or in the United Kingdom, offering a 3 year of bachelor's degree or a 4 years of bachelor's degree. But we offer a 1 year of complete placement, whether it is with the bachelor's or with the master's. So, हमारा कोई भी प्रोग्राम आप लेंगे, मोस्ट प्रोबेबली 80% ऑफ द प्रोग्राम्स आर ऑफरिंग अ प्लेसमेंट ईयर. So the benefit is that after completion of that degree, student not just holding the degree in his hand, but also holding a 1 year of work experience, which definitely plays a very vital role when he is stepping into the industries to search for a job, or to make his career into. उसको बहुत advantage रहता है उसमें definitely.
ट्यूशन फीस महंगी है।
No, no, no. It's very reasonable. I think public university in the United Kingdom, 15,000 to 16,000 pounds per annum, which can be considered as in Indian rupees if we calculate. So 15 lakh से 16 lakh रुपए के बीच में एक साल, which is quite very reasonable in terms of you're studying in an international country, United Kingdom, with the British culture and with the British high quality of education. So I think it's quite reasonable.
ठीक है, फीस को तो लेकर आप बता ही रही हैं, लेकिन माइंड में ना एक चीज चलती है, वहाँ पर एकोमोडेशन महंगा होगा, रहना
Right.
खाना महंगा होगा।
Right.
क्या यूनिवर्सिटी स्टूडेंट्स की उस मामले में भी हेल्प करेगी?
Right, right, absolutely. So, firstly, we have three beautiful campuses. Accommodation सारे campuses में ही हमारा available है, which ranges between 160 pound per week to 240 pound per week, depending upon the facilities that you are taking. It is quite nominal. Our campus is located outside the region of London City, which is around 2 hours away. So, आपका जो living expenses होता है, as comparison to the London City, which is considered to be one of the most expensive cities in the United Kingdom, उससे भी आपका थोड़ा reasonable और कम ही रहता है. That is 9207 pounds, जो आपको UKVI गवर्नमेंट को showcase करना रहता है before you fly into the United Kingdom. So that is quite reasonable. Plus, students have a lot of part-time job opportunities that they can work 20 hours per week, which is they can afford to take out their living expenses while working for their part-time job. Otherwise, considerable, like I mentioned, outside the London city, it is already quite reasonable. Not that
आपकी
expensive.
यूनिवर्सिटी स्टूडेंट्स में क्या देख रही है, किस तरह के स्टूडेंट्स आप ले रहे हैं?
We definitely look forward for quality students. So we definitely look forward for students who are looking forward to, let's say, become a software engineer, or somebody who'd like to become, get into the operations management, somebody who'd like to learn artificial intelligence, somebody who'd like to make their career into graphic designing or filmmaking or fashion designing. So these kind of quality students that definitely we are catering to. Having said that, definitely in Punjab region, definitely I have met some great quality students with the help of Western Overseas. So definitely we are very happy to welcome them and offer them great range of scholarships, which ranges between 1,500 pounds to 3,000 pounds
थैंक यू
for
सर।
September 24th.
तो
All right.
कृष्णा जी ने बताया उनकी यूनिवर्सिटी किस तरीके से बेहतर है, और आप भी गूगल करके इनकी यूनिवर्सिटी के बारे में देख सकते हैं, पढ़ सकते हैं, जान सकते हैं। नमस्कार।